Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat downloading errors on your iPhone. Let's get started. For secure internet connection, a slow or unstable connection can stop download. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, check your iPhone storage. Go to Settings and General, then tap on iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough free space to download Snapchat. If storage is slow, delete unused apps, photos or files. Now restart your iPhone. Restarting clears temporary glitches that can block downloads. Turn off your iPhone, wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. After that, pause and resume the download. If you see Snapchat in the App Store with a downloading label, tap it to pause, then tap again to resume it. This can fix stock downloads. If the Snapchat still won't download, delete any previous incomplete download. If the app shows up as waiting on your home screen or app library, press and hold the icon, tap delete app, and then try downloading again from the App Store. Finally, restart your Wi-Fi router if downloads keep failing. A quick router reset can fix network problems that affect app downloads. And that's it. This step should fix Snapchat downloading error on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.